Hello, Ring team. I'm going to present about e-commerce website and input device system. This presentation starts with overview, demo video, hardware, software development environment, and conclusions. According to my experience, when a vendor wants to sell a product online, it takes more time and requires more staff. Such as taking the photo and entering the product information. But this issue will be resolved by input device system and e-commerce website. Here is demonstrations that compare the use of input device system before and after. When a vendor wants to upload a product via input device system, they must approach my locally built website. Vendors can log in successfully when their accounts are stored in the database, otherwise they can't. Once vendors have successfully logged in, they can enter the product informations that include the price. And currently my webcam is capturing the product. How you check is shaking your hands to the camera, you will see that webcam is capturing the product. If you click the photo weight button, product will be captured and weight will be automatically displayed. And now it's no longer able to capturing. However, if you click the photo again button, you will recapture the product, as you can see. After pressing the upload button, you will now see the content that is automatically uploaded to the website with the success message. And here is my website. Now you can see that product is uploaded. This is the Now I will discuss how website users register for an account. The user will be able to create an account when their input matches the register pattern I have created. Then you will notice that they can log on to the website. Credentials that you have created in the sign up page, if you insert in, you will be able to log in. And this is the home page, and customer may begin purchasing by clicking the Go Shop button. I create some sorting functions for sorting the item so user can find the qualified item easily. When they finally find the product they needed, they can easily access clicking the product image button. I create the zoom function so user can see the product more detailedly. They can add items to their cart by clicking the add to cart button. The user can notice that the number of products in their cart is increasing when they click the add to cart button. And if you click the my cart page, my cart button label, it will transfer the cart page. You can change the quantity and you can also remove. If you click the buy now button, it will call the Stripe API, which it is the payment page. And when the payment is successful, you will receive the receipt through an email. If user want to go back to the product page and write a review, they can go back. And they can write the reviews about the product, whether it was good or good, whether it was bad or good. And only the writer is able to delete the comments, reviews. And if user wanna modify their information and they click their names, they can modify their informations. For the input device system, I use the following images: Raspberry Pi 5 kilogram load cell and camera, and the HX711 ADC modules with the Python code. And this is the code that I used for the capturing the products. This is for the measuring weight code. Since this is Python code, I won't describe too much. This is how I designed for the how vendors upload the product information to the PyODBC. For this e-commerce website, there are three majority users: admin, customer, and vendor account. As an admin account, they can create a vendor account, they can manage users, and they can manage website. As a customer account, they can create an account from the website, they can write review, they can add item to the cart, they can purchase item. As a vendor account, they must contact to admin for creating their account, and they can upload product manually, and they can upload product using the input device system. For logins and updating their information is for all of them. Following 6 tables are used for that I use for the website. Now I'm going to describe the sequence diagram as a customer. When customers select the product from the website, it will send selected product ID to the server, and it will retrieve product information and reviews from the database. And from the database, customer will see the product information and reviews. When customer add product to the cart from the website, it will send product ID in quantity to the server, and it will insert the product into the cart in the cart table. And from the database, customer will see the product in the cart. And when customer purchase the product from the website, it will create a payment sections and redirect to the hosted payment page to the API. And from the API, it will send the payment API. And while customer see the payment result, server will insert the older information, and from the database, it will send the older informations, and server will send the receipt through an email, so customer can see the result. This is sequence diagram for the vendor. Vendor could upload the product through the input device system, and through the input device system, the product will be inserted into a database. And this is the development environment. For the e-commerce website, I use the C# Pro language. And for the front end, back end, I use the ASP.NET. And for the database, I use the MS SQL. For the designing the UIs, I use the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I also use the Bootstrap for the responsive website. For the input device system, I use the Python. That includes wiring GPI, HX711, Flask, and PyODBC. And my project was very successful, and I hopefully you enjoyed about these presentations, and hopefully I get the job opportunity with the ONRCX. And if you wanna see the my source code, you can definitely check my GitHub, and there is my C# code, everything, so you can definitely check. And thank you very much, and I hope I can see you in the future again. Thank you very much.